Welcome back to the channel. It's one of the better days in the shed. It's build day. 02 CR250. She's all torn down. We got a stack of finished up parts. We got refurb parts. We got brand new hardware. We also have some new parts to throw on here as well. The only thing I'm worried about is just a couple fitment issues with the 06 CR250 parts being swapped over to this. So I'm gonna crank up some beats. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the finished product. If you haven't already, check out all the previous build episodes, see everything that we've done to this bike. Let's get to it.
All she want is payback for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying. Don't tell me you care. Nothing like them other motherfuckers. I could make you rich, make you rich, make you this. Baby, I could make you that. I could take you there, but baby, you won't make it back. Growing sick of this, and I don't wanna make you sad. Do I make you scared, baby? Won't you take me back? Nothing like them other motherfuckers. I could make you rich, make you rich. Nothing like them other motherfuckers. I could make you rich.
So I forgot to do one sort of big thing here. So that's where it goes on the splines, and looks like that's where it's been for a couple years. Basically, if we go down one spline, hits the pipe. One thing I completely forgot to do was rotate the Kickstarter gear in here. Okay, bike's back up on the stand. Everything's put together and everything's in the right place. So this pipe, obviously it's taken a hit right there. And what I'm guessing is we've got a little bit of a bend going on that's not supposed to happen. So Kickstarter, it's gonna touch on the pipe. Eventually, I'm gonna grab a new pipe. Most likely, I'll grab the FMF Gnarly. Here she is. Remember about a year ago we were doing the same thing with the CR125 and it pretty much looked the same. Black wheels, polysport kit, black seat, some pro taper bars, pretty much the same. This one turned out really good. With this we've got CR250 rear end, upgraded to those RG3 triple clamps. We had the applied triple clamps on there that were faded. I don't know if it's an upgrade or more or less just swapping them out. Rebuilt the old forks. They should last a good while. Tires, I just left the tires on there. They've got lots of life left in them. And I'm gonna go rip those over the summer, hopefully. And I mean, polysport kit, that looks pretty good. Stuck with our MSR clutch perch we had. Some new pro taper bars, pro taper bar pad. Matte black, that looks good. Throttle tube, all that upgraded, just the ODI. I did have to modify the bracket here for the number plate, just because I have the funky bar mount there. Engine, I've had this thing fired up a couple times and it runs pretty dang smooth. I'm sure we'll have to do adjustments here and there, but for now, we just got it hopefully set at some basic settings so that it'll run good and we can get out and mess with it. The pegs, these came off that CRF450, a little bit meatier, pretty cool. I did just add this Polysport guard, gold MX chain. Sometimes I like the look of the black chain, sometimes the gold. Everything seems to line up nicely and run smoothly. We'll just have to see when we actually get out on the trail, make sure we don't have any weird alignment issues, but from what I can tell right here in the shed, it's good. Turbine core 2, the spark arrestor, everything's still intact there. If you remember, we did not repack that. And then one thing that's really going to help out is that guy right there, Scott's freaking brake guard. That sucker's like 150 bucks at least, I think. That's gonna help out protect our beefy Warp 9 rotors. The only thing we had to change, we had to keep the CR250 brake lever, just because it has a certain bend to come around the clutch cover. The CRF451 was more of a straight shot. Fitment on linkage, everything seems good there. Obviously everyone hates when I throw the banged up pipe on there. Maybe we can, you know, sell this for $100 or something and pick up a FMF gnarly pipe. Still debating on graphics. I mean, I got these nice plastics on there. I may as well go out and get a decent set of graphics on it. So anyhow, thank you for watching. I'm just gonna have to wait to fire this up in the next episode. Let me know how much you like this bike. I know a lot of people, I mean, it's 50-50 split almost on if they like the restyle or if they like the old style. I'm kind of a big fan of the 02 to 07 plastics, but this also looks cool as well. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. How sick is this bike? I'm gonna say pretty sick. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.